welcome back to my channel. I'm Ploy. So I was looking for some ideas and it's December, so I think it would be nice if we can find some decorations, right? Okay, so let's go find it. Today we are not at home. We are at IKEA. We are here today because it's almost Christmas and I want to introduce you for some decorations. And เดี๋ยวก่อนนะคะทุกคนรู้เปล่าว่าวันก่อนคริสต์มาสอะเขาก็จะเรียกว่าอะไรกัน It's Christmas Eve Eve ก่อนเพราะฉะนั้นวันที่เท่าไหร่นะ Christmas Eve It's 24th of December It's just before Christmas Today we're gonna start with the living room and I am at sofas You guys know that we can call it a couch as well so it's a couch or a sofa Oh, look at that! You guys can try red shelves with trees. That can also give you some fairy vibes as well. Oh, and for those who like a bench, you guys can try using a bench instead of chairs. Isn't it cute? Guys, and now we're in the dining areas. Look around, there's many tables, and they are all dining tables. Follow me. Look at this! You guys can sense Christmas vibes, don't you? Guys, if you have more space outside the house, you guys can try outdoor meals. You guys can have party. Oh, see this? There are ornaments. You guys can use this as decorations as well. Cute. Alright, from the dining areas and now we are in the kitchens. Guys, do you want to cook something? Look at this. It reminds me of some Christmas movies when everyone in the house spend time together baking some cookies. It's such a quality time for the family, right? I hope you guys want to bake some cookies when you see this area as well. Oh, ornaments again. Guys, and now we are in the bedrooms and I see a little red spot there. Let's go. Guys, you can have Christmas in your bedroom. Look what I find. Ornaments again. But this time I find it with tinsels. อันนี้ภาษาไทยเรียกว่าอะไรนะลุงป่ะสายลุงสีเงิน But in English we call it tinsel. Guys, finally we're at my favorite spot, which is restaurant, and I have to wear mask because there's a lot of people around me. For your own safety, guys, wear mask. Let's go. Guys, first we need to take the trolley for our food. snowman cake. Yeah. Salads. Nah. Finally, I have my food, which is my dinner. Look at the packaging. So good for the environment. And you guys know that we call this French fries in America, but we call it chips in UK. And that's it for today, guys. So noisy here, but thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my clip and hope you guys enjoy your last month of the year. I'll see you in the next clips. Bye!